I hope you are all doing well. So, today we will see pivot table. Okay, we have already completed basic formulas VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. Okay, if you have not seen yet, please see and okay and subscribe our channel if you are new. And if you have any doubts, just post your comment. And if you need this working set, just go to our Telegram channel and download this working sheet. So today we will see pivot table. So first, what is pivot table? So here you can see definition. What is pivot table? Okay, here you go insert. Okay, insert tab, and here you can see pivot table. So here you can see definition. Pivot table means easily arrange and summarize complex data in a pivot table. Pivot table is used to sort, organize, summarize, average, count. Okay. So if you need definition, just you can see this definition. A pivot table is used to summarize, sort, reorganize, group, count, total or average data stored in a table, which is mentioned in our table. Okay. It allows us to transform column into row and row into columns. Okay. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, just put your comment. So now let's see. Here we have a okay. I have a normal table. Okay. So now we will pivot table. Okay. Let's see here pivot table from table and range. It is asking table and range. By default, I selected and it is selected. Okay. Here you can see. Now it is asking two questions. It is asking you want to pivot table in new worksheet or existing worksheet. Suppose I need it in existing worksheet, so I have selected existing worksheet and just select. Here you can see path is appeared. Okay, range is appeared. Now okay. Okay, so just scroll right, and here you can see pivot table. Okay, now here you can see we have some values. We have all columns which is mentioned in our table, and here we have four types filled: filter, column, value, and row. Here which column we want to in row, here we can mention which column we want to see in column, which column we want to filter in filter, and value summarize which want to summarize. So suppose I want to summarize invoice total. Okay, so I have taken here invoice total. Here you can see sum of invoice total. Yeah, overall you can see value. Okay, sum of invoice total. Here you can see, but it is easy. You can use also some formula. Now next, now row. Which column you want to see in row? Okay, now suppose I want to see state name. Okay, suppose I want to see state name. So here you can see row table. Okay, sum rows, tally total number of invoice. Okay, value, sorry, total number invoice value is this for Delhi, Haryana this, and Uttar Pradesh this. Okay, now if you want to see status of, okay, status, so status, so I'm taken status. So here you can see status also. Here you can see Delhi delivered, number of invoice value delivered 128. Okay, on the way this, and shipped this, and grand total this. Okay, Haryana this, Uttar Pradesh this, and this. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh all material has been delivered. Delhi 128 delivered. This value is mentioned on the way and this is shipped. I hope it is clear. Here you want to see in a detail, so you just click this value, grand total value, and you can see new set is appeared. Here you can see total of okay, of Delhi state. You can say selected state. Okay, so I selected Delhi state. So Delhi state, you can see brief discussion overall. Here, if you want to sum, so here you can see sum is 397941. Same you can see is a 3979. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, if you have any doubt, just post a comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. I hope it is clear. Now our definition is says total average. Okay, we have seen count total. Now if it allows us to transform column into row and row into column, so how is it work? Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so here is the state name. So I'm taking delivery status here. Okay, here you can see statewide Delhi and total this delivered this, and state name I want to in column. So here you can see delivered status Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, now you can see it is okay. These data is transferred. Okay, these data has been transferred in a from column to row and row to column. I hope it is clear. Okay, so today we are seeing only a basic concept of pivot table, and if you are working in any industry and any office, it's very important formula for daily works. Okay, very most useful formula for daily use in office, and you can save lot of time to due to this. Okay, so here I'm taking sum of invoice total. So here you can see order number. Okay, you can filter value on order number. Okay, on the basis of order number. Here you can see here the all order which is total sum of okay, 611. If you want to single order value, okay, suppose you want to 46049. Okay, here I select 460. So here you can see value has been changed. So you can also filter according to your according to use. Okay, I hope it is clear. In next video we will cover advanced pivot table. Okay, I hope it is clear, and if you have any doubt, just post your comment. And you can download this plugin from our Telegram channel. Telegram channel mentioned in the description box. Okay, thank you.